Hi everyone, Deborah G here, and I am on my 15th speaking engagement this year and enjoying every minute of the travel because I end up at some beautiful resorts like here at the Royal Palms Resort in Scottsdale, Arizona. And I love being in my own town because I don't have to get on a plane. And of course, I get to spend a lot more time with groups that I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So here I am. It's going to be a rocking keynote tomorrow, followed by a workshop. So spending all day with these people, I'm talking about at least 100 beautiful women and men from all over the world. And so this is going to be the time to kick butt. And I certainly am going to plan on it somehow in this beautiful, beautiful resort that I am here now. Okay, have a great day and we'll see you next time.